Finally got the fender off. The very tricky part about the fender. So you got 2 bolts on the bottom, 1 bolt that holds this part in, which holds this to the actual frame of the car, and then you got 1 here, and then I don't know if this was necessary, but there was 1 here up here that had to be taken out this way, 1 here that had to be taken out this way. Then you had the 2 bolts up here for the hinge, then you got just these metal screws right here for the rest of the fender. So if you're trying to take the entire fender off, you're going to need to pop this part off right here, which has these clips in it. The only way to take these clips out is by taking the whole lining off. In order to take the lining off, you have to take out a bunch of plastic tabs on the inside that hold it to the fender. Over here on the fender you can see the attachment points for the plastic tabs. If you take those plastic tabs off, then that lining will come out, and the only 2 left for that lining right there is that and the other one down there right there. So once you get those 2 out, the whole lining comes out and it exposes everything here, and this is really nice because now I can work on anything. I can offset the fender because of the front end accident. The door doesn't hit anymore. So because of this, what now I'm going to do, I see some little bit surface rust beginning down here, so I'm going to take care of that, get that all painted up, chop it up. So yeah, and also in order to take the fender off, this is a key note, the fender of course has this thing, your windshield washer reservoir for that. So you have to take that off, mainly because the tab right there, the neck snakes through that. So I think the fender is actually pretty easy to do if you know what you're doing. Of course, no one has any content out there for these cars, so I'm happy to make what I can. So this has been a good little fender removal. I got much more to do today, so see you guys in another video.